Guys, Paul
and Ryan,
PA Outdoors couple. Here we are. What's that? Kramer covered bridge, Bridge 113, Columbia County, Pennsylvania. One of 21 bridges, I believe, in Columbia County. We're nailing them. We're hitting them off the list. We're checking them.
I thought it said 28, but
28,
it's a lot.
Over 20.
Montour County, it's
Columbia.
It said Montour, Columbia County.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, there's 21 in Columbia, I do believe. And of course, there's our, so I think we hit some in Montour already. But anyway, that is the bridge we're here today. And it was built in 1881 by
CWE.
That's right. And it's a 50-foot long queen post truss. And we're going to go check it out right now.
Over Mud Run.
Done.
Son.
Go. This is Turkey Path Road. It's a no winter maintenance road that goes up that mountain right there and connects with Bowman Hill. Bowman Mill, rather. Silly. I've only been driving it for 20 years. All right. Yeah, mud run is accurate today because of the rain we got.
It's not running very much,
No.
but it is full.
It is. We got a little bit of flow. Is the queen post, as you see, up, over, down, the queen post. And it's, wow, here you go, it's running much more over here. It was built it was rebuilt in 2007. Flows that way. And that'll wind down and meet with the Fishing Creek. Or Huntington, either Fishing or I think Huntington Creek, rather.
Oh yeah, you can tell it was rebuilt.
Yeah.
Very sturdy.
Metal roof. No real. Oh, okay. So there's a little graffiti right there, but it was like really nothing too crazy. Little 50-footer. There is a little peephole, I do believe.
Nice. Clean. Solid.
Well, can we do it? Whoa. There you go. Hi, Creek. Mud Run.
Cool.
All right. We are ending out the month of August. And we'd like to say cheers to everyone. We're over 500 subscribers now. And we're doing, I just think we're just doing great. And it's been really fun. And of course, there's going to be steel beams under this one because it was rebuilt in 2007. And then you can see it. Kramer 113. And yeah, here is Turkey Path Road that goes up. No winter maintenance all the way up to Bowman's Mill, yeah. So cool. It's a little soggy today. See if I can get down there. Ooh, tinky tinky. That hit my knee. Skunk cabbage. Really wet down here. Nice. And here it is. Okay. Let's see if I can sneak under here. There it is. No wooden beams. No wooden beams. Only wood. Metal beams, rather. Only wood. Rebuilt wood. So there you go. Nice stone, though, with that cement top. And no metal beams under this one. Maybe because it's so short, too. But a really nice restoration on this bridge for sure. Let's get back up to Ryan. Hello, Ryan.
Hello.
Ryan had a great day today. The funny thing is, you know, it might be a damning thing to me, but she wasn't with me today, so she had a great day.
Oh, stop.
Let's switch you around. Okay, actually, here it is. Another one off the checklist. This is the Kramer covered bridge, 113. Is it Kramer or Kramer? It's Kramer, right? C-R-A-M-E-R.
I know some Kramers that are that way, but I guess it depends what family you're from.
Yeah. Well, let us know if it's Kramer or Kramer. But we'll go with. I wanted to say Kramer when I looked at it.
It is covered bridge number 113.
In Columbia County, Greenwood Township, I'll have you know. And there's Marge in the distance. She can't wait to drive over it.
She's so pretty.
And that's what we'll be doing after this. Until then, this has been Paul. PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Boom. Okay, guys, here we go. Time to cross the Kramer Bridge 113, Columbia County, Pennsylvania. All right.
50 foot of bridge. 50 foot. Over Mud Run.
Yep. Boom. Now we're going up Turkey Path Road. See you later. Cheers.